Nah, I feel great. Are you gonna put your hands down?
Not even 5 months old there, sister. Maverick.
Yeah.
Well, you could thank your youngest for that.
I don't care.
She's over it. She tried being clean.
Oh, God. Get it up off his chest.
He can take a bath. Or we'll just let Bo lick him.
She's recording, by the way. Oh, God. Maverick. I'm sorry, baby.
Don't put so much on the spoon.
Wow. Wow.
We'll put it on the very end of the spoon, so...
I do, Amanda.
When you try to leave early today.
Bo from Dad.
Don't move.
I don't want to be recorded.
Maverick.
She's gonna box you in. Cute stuff like that, and it never stays on my head. Just barely stays on.
No.
I feel like having it.
Are you feeling it?
I know.
Right?
I know. Yeah.
And you guys didn't drink anything?
We were drunk.